Arnis 6 blocking technique in open leg position. Handa sa pagpupugay. Handa, pugay. Po. Technique number 1, upper inward block. Technique number 2, upper outward block. Technique number 3, lower inward block. Technique number 4, lower outward block. Technique number 5, vertical block. Technique number 6, racing block. Arnis 6 blocking technique using the Arnis basic stances. Number 1, upper inward block. Number 2, upper outward block. Number 3, lower inward block. Number 4, lower outward block. Number 5, vertical block. Number 6, racing block. Perform 6 blocking technique with your partner using Arnis basic striking technique and Arnis basic stances. Magkasasabay ang pagpugay. Pugay. Po. Perform number 1, upper inward block. Move. Upper outward block. Move. Lower inward block. Move. Lower outward block. Move. Vertical block. Move. Racing block. Move. Handa, sasabay ang pagpupugay. Handa. Pugay. Po.